Whatever happened to the radicals in Portland during the turbulent 1960s? Mark Mooney says they're in three-piece suits now, another in his nostalgia reports.
We'll have complete details plus weather and sports on News 8 tonight at 11.
Good day. 62 KGW morning personality Craig Walker has lost his red sweater. A heavy loss for Craig and for KGW radio.
I've looked everywhere, and it's gone.
To get it back, 62 KGW is offering a reward.
We will pay $29.95 to whoever tells us exactly where the sweater is. That's $29,000.95.
To find out how to win $29,000.95, listen to 62 KGW radio.
This is the taste. This is the test. The Pepsi Challenge. Pepsi. And the winning taste?
Pepsi.
Oh, what a time. It's gonna be Pepsi now. The winning taste is Pepsi. It's gonna be Pepsi now. Taste what Pepsi's giving. It's gonna be Pepsi now.
Pepsi-Cola invites you to join thousands of runners this Sunday, October 2nd in Memorial Coliseum as they take the challenge of the Portland Marathon.
Casey Cowan, your News 8 entertainment specialist.
The following program was taped earlier this evening before a live audience for broadcast in this time zone.
You've got to be there.
Do you know what Kit Kat has in store for you? Those light, crispy wafers smothered in rich, creamy chocolate. Kit Kat, the chocolate bar so good. You roar. Kit Kat, the crispy chocolate bar so good you roar.
Help keep America beautiful. Wear Underalls.
He's only 3, and already he's reaching out, seeking, and looking to you to point the way. Now is when a Texas Instruments home computer can give him a real head start. With more educational cartridges than any other computer, they challenge, encourage, make learning fun. The home computer from Texas Instruments. Don't put it off.
Yes, I'd like a hamburger with extra tomatoes, no pickle, no onion.
Step aside.
Step aside?
Step aside.
Please, step aside.
Step aside.
Kindly step aside.
Sir, a step aside.
At some hamburger places, when you order special toppings, they say you'll have to wait.
Sir.
And could you?
Step aside.
At Wendy's, you can order your hamburger with whatever toppings you want and get it without ever having to step aside. You want something better. You're Wendy's kind of people.
Open up, please. My first cold of the season.
My first customer for new Advanced Formula Dristan. Unlike some medicines that relieve 6 cold symptoms, Advanced Formula Dristan goes on to relieve 6 more. Relieves all 12 symptoms.
So what's new?
No aspirin and no caffeine.
That is new. I'll try it. No aspirin, no caffeine, no cold miseries.
New Advanced Formula Dristan relieves 12 cold symptoms.
That face, that cover girl face. It glows, it shows that clean makeup face.
With CoverGirl Clean Makeup, you know you look your best. It's Noxema Pure, so you're sure of fresh, natural color and clean coverage that lasts.
That face, that CoverGirl face.
CoverGirl Clean Makeup by Noxema, the makeup for that face.
Ooh, that face.
Lee Iacocca asked his engineers to build a sports car. Remember, the competition is good. We've got to be better. Make it fast. Give it fuel-injected turbo power. We did. From 0 to 50, Chrysler's new Laser XE is faster than Camaro Z28, Trans Am, Toyota Supra. Make it handle. Give it front-wheel drive and nitrogen shocks. We did. Laser beats Mustang GT, Monster RX-7, and Trans Am in the slalom. Make it break new ground in advanced technology. Give it a brain. We did. Onboard computers monitor more functions than its competitors. Make it luxurious. Rich Mark Cross levers are available. Make it right. Back it with a 5-year, 50,000-mile protection plan. We do. Nobody else does. Make it affordable. We did. Chrysler Laser XE. The competition is good. We had to be better.
Coming up next on Live and in Person, Alabama, Florence Henderson, Siegfried and Roy, and Lily Tomlin.
Friday. It's a kiss of death when a forbidden affair and an ambitious officer threatened the life of a raw recruit. But Love and Honor, Friday.
News 8. Updates.
Good evening, I'm Bill Laggatutta. The special session of the Oregon legislature is in chaos tonight. Committee members have quit and the compromise tax plan has fallen through. We'll have details. Prison overcrowding in Multnomah County jails means more suspects are on the streets. The county is calling it a crisis. And Continental Airline pilots say they're going out on strike Saturday, protesting pay cuts. For complete details, stay tuned to News 8 tonight at 11 o'clock.
Shopper 8, only on News 8, your news specialists.
You can win a $1,000 Tahoe vacation for two at Harrah's Resort, including AirCal transportation when you buy the option package on the S10 Blazer or pickup. Or choose from the full line of tough Chevy trucks or vans. Bob Kendall, Ron Tonkin, Bob Murray, Fred Bauer, or Car Chevrolet. Each Metro 9 dealer is awarding a $1,000 vacation. Canal Chevrolet, Lyman Slack, Weiler Chevrolet, or Wentworth Chevrolet. Your Metro 9 Chevy dealer can put a Chevy in your garage and send you on a vacation on AirCal to Tahoe.
Success of late night news, Friday at 7.
They're 8 old friends who haven't seen each other since the 60s. Each has a story. This is Karen's. She's married to Richard, but not happily. She wants a divorce.
I'm going to leave him.
And Sam. But does Sam still want her?
For 15 years, you've acted like I'm the one you really wanted, and you've made sure that everybody knew it.
For the other 7 stories, see The Big Chill, rated R. Coming soon to a theater near you.
What kind of people take Excederin to relieve their headaches? People like you, who won't let a headache stop them. That's why you take Excederin. That's where you get the extra strength, the extra medicine that you can't get with a regular strength pain reliever. In fact, there's nothing you can buy that's stronger or more effective than extra strength Excederin. And now, take advantage of this offer. Look for this coupon in Sunday's paper and take it to your store. You already know Excederin works. Now, we want to help you make sure it's always there when you need it.
It happened one morning. 15 gray hairs. I'm too young to go gray. So I tried the Clairol color renewal system. It got rid of those dull grays. And I got a surprise. Color all over. Vibrant. Pretty. Now my hair looks shiny and feels soft. More volume. It's gentle and has no peroxide. I have no roots. It blends away gradually. It changed my feelings about hair color. I just love the Clairol color renewal system. It's so easy. Now, I'll never go gray.
Monday, it's Johnny's 21st anniversary special.
How about this?
The king of late night brings us 21 years of his hottest moments ever. You'll see the brightest stars.
I caught a peeping Tom booing me.
In their funniest moments.
Bend over. What?
For the biggest laughs. It's a wild night that will crack you up. Johnny's 21st anniversary special, Monday.
Bet you're glad your brother finally went away to school. Yeah. You get his room, his bike, and everything. What a deal. Yeah. And just think, nobody will call you Peeper anymore. Yeah.
David, your brother's on the phone. He wants to talk to you.
Brian? Me? Oh, boy.
Reach out.
Hi, Brian.
Hey, Peeper. How you doing, kid?
When a faraway voice sounds as close as you feel, that's reach out and touch someone. That's AT&T.
Larry Hagman tells all.
Larry, what's really beneath that tough exterior?
Quality, darling. Quality.
How would you describe your appeal to women?
In a class by itself.
Do they sense your softer side?
Ah, now you touched on my hidden quality.
Do you shrink from all that publicity?
Shrink? Hardly.
Come on now. What's the real reason women want to tear your clothes off?
Maybe they think I'm worth it.
BBD legendary quality speaks for itself.